Jeep here, and today I coded this thing. So like, I did there, I did there. It's where you can make squares and draw stuff. See? Like, that's how you do it. And then you can just, yeah, so in this app you can make squares, and then you can like put it up and keep on putting it up. Or you can make other shapes and do it. See, once you make one shape, it will stick there. You have to use these arrow keys to make the shape, like the square shape or the triangle shape. And then you just, after that, it will disappear the mouse thing in the middle of the screen. And now you could like press where you want to move it. Like I can move that there, I can move one here. Now it will keep on doing squares because you made a square and that's what it wants. It will just keep on putting more squares. So yeah, that's how this app works. It's a drawing app where you can draw shapes. Yeah, shapes, rectangles, and squares. Yeah, those shapes. So yeah, that's how that works. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a good day, an excellent day. And make sure to like and subscribe to my videos. Bye.